This brings us finally to part 4 of the newborn baby problem, where we're calculating how many babies would we expect to weigh between 6.4 pounds and 9 pounds. So, as before, we begin by drawing our normal curve distribution, labeling our mean at 6.4 pounds and our standard deviation with 2 pounds. So 6.4 pounds is in the middle, 8.4 pounds occurs at the first standard deviation, 10.4 pounds at the second, and to the left we have 4.4 pounds and 2.4 pounds. We specifically are looking for the number of babies in between 6.4 pounds, which very fortunately happens to be our mean, right? And 9 pounds, which falls over here. So this might be one of the easiest problems we've done yet. We are looking for an area that falls in between our mean and a value of 9 pounds. So we want the area under the normal curve that falls in between this space. That's going to give us a percentage of babies, and then we can multiply that times 800 to get our result. So what are we going to do? First step, well, we're going to take 9 and transfer it into a z-score. Z equals x minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Our x value is 9 pounds, our mean is 6.4, and our standard deviation is 2. 9 minus 6.4 is 2.6, and 2.6 divided by 2 is 1.3. That makes our z-score 1.3. And the cool thing about it this time is, right, if we watch, when we calculate the area using our table, we are simply going to get the exact area that we need, right? Our table gives us the value or the area in between our mean, where z is 0, and our z value. So that's actually the area we need. How many babies fall with a weight in between 6.4 and 9 pounds? Well, let's go to our chart. Using our z value of 1.3 or 1.30, we look up 1.30, and that gives us the amount of 0.40320. 0.40320. Putting that back on our normal distribution curve, we have 0.0, we have 0.40320. That is the area under the curve that falls in this red band. Or if we like, 40.320% of the babies one would expect to fall between 6.4 and 9 pounds. If given 800 babies, we have to take 40.320% and multiply it times 800. So I'm taking 0.40320, multiplying it times 800, and that's giving me 322.56. Round those babies up, so we have 323 babies that we would expect to weigh between 6.4 and 9 pounds. That's it. Phew, that was a long problem with lots of parts. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me.